Essential oils are usually associated with aromatherapy, but this is not the only use that they have. We have already posted some recipes and benefits of some oils, and many of you often like it when we publish videos on this topic. Today the subject is beauty and essential oils. Did you know that a drop of an essential oil already contains a wide variety of vitamins and microelements? That's why they've always been in use in beauty treatments. Not to mention that many times they are much cheaper than most of the cosmetic products we find in stores, pharmacies, and supermarkets. How about getting to know some different oils to use in your daily beauty routine? Jojoba oil. It is hypoallergenic and contributes to cell regeneration and helps to moisturize the skin. Hemp oil. It contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, helps to heal skin problems such as atopic dermatitis. It is suitable for all skin types and works very well as a natural makeup remover. Pomegranate seed oil. Helps to maintain youthful skin because it contributes to the production of elastin and collagen. It's a great antioxidant. Sea buckthorn oil. It reduces the effects of the sun on the skin and renews these cells. Burdock oil. It contains vitamins A, B, C, E, K, and minerals. It helps to moisturize and strengthen the hair while protecting it from climate changes. Are you enjoying knowing the benefits of these oils for your day-to-day care? How about sharing these beauty tips with your friends? Pinyon oil prevents hair loss, regulates greasiness, and has antifungal properties. Carrot seed oil, rich in vitamins A and E and in beta-carotene, helps to fight possible fungus on the fingernails. It's great for toenails because they tend to stay long periods in closed shoes. Myrrh oil hydrates the cuticles, nails, and helps with their growth. Olibanum oil helps to prevent problems in the cuticles, protects against infections, and assists in the growth of nails. Broccoli seed oil hydrates the nails and leaves the cuticle healthier, protects skin and nails from the impact of the sun's rays. There are many other ways for you to care for your hair, skin, and nails with the help of oils. Treatments can be done through masks and massages. The frequency of use may vary, but usually using it once per week is the recommendation. For best results in hair, wrap the hair in a towel and let the oil act on it for more than 1 hour. On the nails, let the oil act between 15 to 20 minutes and remove with cotton. If you wish, you can also wear special gloves and leave the oil on all night long. Essential oils, as well as cosmetics, may have some contraindications, so search well before using them. And don't forget to do an allergy test before applying the oils. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.